When setting up for production line manufacturing, the last thing you want to deal with is a line shutdown. So in this video, we are going to cover 4 ways to avoid this issue and how working with a converter can help. To avoid assembly line shutdowns, it's crucial to adopt proactive measures. First, getting in your request for a quote, or RFQs, proactively is essential. Submitting your RFQ at least 6 to 8 weeks before you need the product allows the converter sufficient time to meet your deadlines, as converting custom products involves complex planning and setup. Second, placing blanket purchase orders, or BPOs, can simplify the process of ordering repeatedly and mitigate logistical issues. BPOs help in scheduling longer machine run times, which reduces labor time and unit cost, and allows bulk purchasing of materials, which also lowers the overall cost. Third, informing your converter of any changes early is vital. Whether it's a design change or a deadline, early communication helps avoid potential delays caused by adjustments in material thickness or other specifications. Lastly, maintaining a transparent timeline is critical. Keeping your converter informed about your timeline predictions and inventory needs allow them to schedule buffer time, ensuring that you receive your parts as required. When it comes to a production line shutdown, there can be many consequences. Financial losses are inevitable, as the halted production directly impacts revenue. Additionally, the loss of capacity due to unused machines and the associated labor costs. Companies may also face fines from upstream buyers due to missed deadlines and unfulfilled orders. The shutdown can lead to significant revenue losses and damage the company's reputation, resulting in customer complaints. In extreme cases, prolonged shutdowns might even lead to job losses as the company struggles to manage its operational costs. Your converter can play a pivotal role in mitigating these issues. Our first course of action is to check whether the necessary material is available. If not, we will contact their material vendor to ascertain if the material can be acquired in time. We then will also evaluate the possibility of advancing your order based on machine availability. A reliable converter will go to great lengths to prevent a line down scenario from occurring, ensuring continuous production and minimizing the risk of shutdowns. Here at Strouse, we do everything in our power to avoid getting into this situation. However, when it does happen, it's important to work with a converter with a plan. If you have any more questions on timelines or what Strouse can do for you, feel free to visit our learning center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.